Hello folks, Stray Benzes here with a mini episode about oil filters on the diesels, the 300 SDLs, for instance, any of the diesels that have this big filter cover, and a couple of smaller tips. So changing the oil, I have only found one oil filter brand, this Beck and Arnley, with that part number for the 300 SDL, the 6-cylinder OM603, that has not only the crush rings for the oil drain plug, but also these two smaller O-rings and the big housing oil filter ring. The big one is a no-brainer. You pull it out, you replace it with a new one, but these two smaller ones are the ones that really are overlooked, and not all oil filter kits have that one. A slightly bigger one, and this little one, and since there are multiple oil change drain plugs, there you go. So to install a new one, that's a no-brainer. We're going to clean up the groove, put this one in, oil the top a little bit, and that's it. But the little ones are a little trickier. Like I said, most of these are rock hard by the time you get to them. One of these nifty retrieving tools here is definitely beneficial to have. There you go. So it's a slightly bigger one. I'm gonna clean the grooves up and then install first a small one and then the big one. So here we are. First the small one. And yes, they are tricky, but this tool helps you put these on without. And now you can see why I put the smaller one first on the first groove, because then the bigger one doesn't get stuck. And there you are. So now you have those two in place, and they are clearly protruding a lot more than the old ones, the flat ones, leading to a good sear. I cleaned the groove, put this one on, and we're ready to install the cover. And voila, we're back in business. Once again, I can highly recommend the Beck and Arnley. Good luck. Don't forget to clean up the surfaces. You don't want that muck all over the place. There we go. Get the new oil filter. There we go. Make sure that one sits nice, tight. There we go. There you go. Put those back. And don't go overboard tightening those nuts. Here's after tight comes off. And these nuts are just there to keep it in place and not to come off. The seal is provided by the O-ring. Give the channel a like, recommend it to others. Good luck. Another episode of Stray Benzes.